Hey guys, happy Friday! Look, I have lovebirds to share. So this is actually the third batch already. The first batch I had was a combination of yellow and green. Unfortunately, both of them escaped. And the second batch was a total of four. One of them died when they arrived here in my home office, unfortunately. So the rest of them I gave to my parents. And now this is the third batch. So super ganda nung black. Very rare yung color na ito for a lovebird species. And I'm so happy that they are getting the hang of it here sa home office ko. And as you notice, kumakain na sila ng malunggay leaves and the bird seed. So, ayan. Nakakatuwa lang to share, and I hope wala nang not so good experience that I will be having for this third batch. And I'd like to shout out my special friend who is very generous enough to give me this set of lovebirds. Thank you so much, and more vlogs to come. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.